Alright guys, so just a little update on the rust under the vinyl top. Finished touching up the paint and pinstripes. You can see there's a little bit of a kind of a bend there, right there, just because the rust is a little bit popping out still. I'm just trying to salvage it, but everything else came out fairly clean. Getting the line is pretty hard, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update on, you can see that little edge right there, but other than that, it's pretty straight. So the pinstriping that I got is the dark red. That was for Caddy, and it's 3/16 inch for the top strip. The top stripe, that's this one up here. I think this is, sorry, this is 1/16, and then this is maybe 3/16. So the top stripe is thinner than the bottom. But really I decided to top the top stripe, so that's I got the 1/16. So if you go, this whole total is 1/16, 1/16, 1/16, so red, white, red. So I just ended up using one red stripe. I cut it down and then lined it up. So overall it came out decent. I mean, it's not perfect. This is the first time I'm doing any of this, so I mean, it's better, way better than it was, where the rust was basically chipping off all below that vinyl top. And then also the vinyl top itself, the glass is back in. I'm pretty much done respraying the top after I glued back in the cutout. You can see up there it's a little bit of touch up, but overall the vinyl top came out fairly decent considering it was basically a hack job. So I'm happy with how it came out. It looks better than it did before it started, and that's pretty much what I wanted. That was my goal, to get the glass out and then touch up the rust that was underneath the vinyl top. So out of that I got a refreshed top, and it's almost ready to go.